All right. So I have chicken. I have my salt. You can see the salt. So I wash my chicken with salt, and I'm just gonna cook it like that. I'm not frying it. I'm not baking it. I'm just gonna cook it like this, and we tear it up. Yeah. Yep. Can cook your chicken any type of way. Yeah, I cook it anyhow. As long as it tastes good. You tear it up. Alrighty. So gotta wash it. Then just, spice it up, and that's it. That's it. Easy cook. The chicken is washed. You see, there's no water. I didn't add any water. I'm just gonna add my spices and cook it like that. And you're gonna see the water that will come out from the meat is gonna cook it, because chicken doesn't take long to get done. Yeah, let's put in my spices, little bit of everything, a little bit. If you want me to show you the spices I'm putting in, I would. Yeah, gotta spice it up. Got to spice it up. It will taste good. All right. Then gotta put in the pepper, of course, Cameroon pepper, right? Okay. So these are my spices. These are my spices. Okay. All right. Then I gotta cut off my onion and put in it. All right. Fresh onion. Yeah. And add salt. That's it. All right. Okay. Okay. So the chicken is cooking. It's cooking. See, I didn't add any water. I did not add any water, but water is coming out from the chicken. Yeah. So I want the taste to be in there before I may add some water. I'm not sure, but yeah, it'll be cooking. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just gotta cover it up. And that's it. Every time it's not frying, baking. Yeah. So just decided to just cook it like this. All right. All right. Let's check it out. Wow. See? I still didn't add any water. There's water in meat. See? Wow. See? There's a lot of water. I did not add any water. You can try this. Look, there's a lot of water, and I did not add any. See, it's a good thing I didn't add any water, right? Yeah, it's almost done. It's almost done. It smells good. Sorry you won't be able to smell it, but it smells good. It looks good too. It's almost done. Okay. Yeah. That's how we cooking it today. Just gonna, yeah, a little bit of salt, and that's it. Cover it up. Yep. You call it, all right? So you see, there's water. Remember, I didn't put in water, but at the end, here's all the water. All right, yeah. So this is it. This is it. You can eat it like this, or you can eat it with rice, white rice, or beans. It doesn't matter. Or yam. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna eat it with yam. All right. Okay. So that's it. All right. Thank you guys for watching.